Hi, here is how to join two CSV files and export the result using Instadeck. You don't need an account to do this. You just go to app.instadeck.com and click here on Trade Now. We need two CSV cards, one for each CSV file. So I'm going to select CSV file, create a new card, select CSV file. You can click on the drop zone to open a file picker. I'm going to drag and drop them on the drop zone because I have them at hand. The CSV files I'm using are launches from SpaceX with information from launch and a column called rocket with a rocket identifier. And the second one is a table with all rockets from SpaceX where one column is ID. What we want to do is get some or all the columns from this table and join them with the information for the rocket when the rocket column is equal to the ID column over here. For that, I'm going to create a new card and select the join card type. And we have to fill this query over here. We have to specify the columns we want from the left table and the columns we want from the right table for the output. And we have to specify the condition when the left table will be joined with the right one for each row. So we can say that we want the name and the date for the left, and for the right I can either drag and drop like I did, or I can select the placeholder and select them from there. I can say that I want the name and active columns. The output is still empty because we have to specify the condition. So I want when the left side rocket column is equal to the ID column on the right. And now we have our output populated, and we can do some cleanup and renaming. So let's select the name input and rename it to mission, rename name 1 to rocket, and rename date UTC to date. And with this result, we can add more columns if we want by dragging and dropping or by selecting from here. And when we are ready, we go to the top right of the join card, click the more options and select download. This will open the download dialog to download a CSV, and it will be a CSV with the information from the output. We can see it here. I have a preview, and we can see that we have the mission column, date, success, active rocket, and all the information in a CSV format. We can open with a CSV reader or with Excel or OpenOffice. So this was how to join two CSV files and export the result using Instadeck. Bye.